The heroes of Goo Jitsu are back, now with Galaxy Attack. This is a whole new way to play with heroes of Goo Jitsu. The heroes now have pump power action. Some are scrunchy, some are gooey, and some have that pump power. So let's get them unboxed and take a look. These are so awesome. Thank you so much to Moose Toys for sending me this amazing collection of our favorite Goo Jitsu. I love these figures so much. They are so cool. Let's get Blazagon unboxed. First, these are all of the other ones that you can collect. So there are a lot of our favorite figures are back from like series 1. So we have Astro, Thrash, Solar Blast Blazagon, Cosmic Pantaro, Star Shadow, Merculok, Saturnaut, and the ultra rare Crusticoid. Ooh. And I'm loving this comic book strip that they have in the back. It says, our heroes search the galaxy for the origins of the goo. Meanwhile, new galactic goons stand in their way. Who will rule the galaxy? I don't know. Who will rule them? Let's get them unboxed and let's take a look. Wow, they're heavier than they normally are. There's a lot of goo in Blazagon, and he is the Solar Blast Blazagon Hero Pack. This is so awesome. I love their stretchy suits that they're wearing. He's also wearing a helmet that has a moving visor. There's a lot of fidgety aspects to this one figure. So you could squish him and look at that goo inside. We have some galactic goo in there. And there's so much of it. There's even like some shimmer and sparkles in there. There's a lot of goo. So he has a lot of weight to him. I think he looks awesome. Let's see how much he could stretch. Wow. Really, really, really long. Whoa. Can we stretch that little tail? Yes, you can. Grab him by the head and stretch. He's super stretchy. Wow. Check out that squish and that big bubble of goo inside. That's awesome. I could just play with these guys all day. If you want to see a whole collection video of all of our heroes of Goo Jitsu, let me know in the comments. I have from series 1 up until now this one. We've been collecting since the beginning. I love heroes of Goo Jitsu. They're so much fun. Now let's check out Merculok. This is the Merculok Hero Pack. And if you ever just don't know if you want to get a Heroes of Goo Jitsu, you could just always use the Try Me method over here where you could squish him in store and see if you like the way that squishes. I actually like the way he squishes in the Try Me, only because you could feel all this chunky stuff that's in him. And he's actually scrunchy. He also has a comic strip on the back. Our heroes have trespassed deep within alien space. Meanwhile, pesky intruders, I've got my eye on you. The power will be mine. Go away. Who will rule the galaxy? Oh no, they've actually encountered the ultra rare Crusticoid. All right, let's check out Merculok. I love this packaging too. The colors are really awesome. Let's just throw that garbage on the floor. Oh, he's awesome. He's got a lot of fun, neat features. I could see some like water balls inside there, those little squishy ones. He's got his hand that you can press and has a nice hard head. Let's give him a stretch first. Whoa, you can see all the stuff inside of him, all those gooey balls and these little crunchy features that he has in there. Let's give him a stretch again. Let's see how far he can go or how far he can go. Stretch his tail. Woo! And now we're gonna give him a nice squish. That is awesome. Let's see if we can see what's inside of him. Ooh, it looks like he had his lunch. Ooh, there's like little gooey alien bugs in there. Some gooey crabs. And he's really, really fun to squish. Overall, squish factor, I would say definitely 10 out of 10. Only because he has these like water balls inside. I love him. He's got like a nice globby texture and he doesn't have as much weight as Blazagon. So he's a lot easier to squish without any trouble at all. Let's see who can squish the best. Ooh. It's definitely a lot of fun to squish Blazagon, but I wish Blazagon had what Merculok has inside. Wow, super fun. Last but not least, we gotta check out this new style of Goo Jitsu. It is the Air Vac Orbitox. It's so much fun. It has a pump power. He pumps out air and he's really, really stretchy. Plus his pose holds in place. How crazy is that? It's like revolutionizing Goo Jitsu. A few of the characters like, what's his name? Like Simeon, you could stretch him and he'll kind of hold it, but it does like go. Let's see how far he could stretch and hold the place. So you could pump him up, stretch him, pose, and then release. So he has another comic strip on the back. Let's see what we got here. Maybe he's the one that we need to save the day. It says pump power. With his new Air Vac power suit, Thrash can battle like never before. But he's not the only one. This galaxy isn't big enough for the goo of us. It's time for Vac Attack! Who will rule the galaxy? Well, we see that Thrash over here, my favorite shark, came to save the day, but Obitox was here instead. So let's see what Obitox can do and if he can help out Thrash. We gotta get that hard to find one so we can totally play. This is so cool. Now this is totally new for me, so give me a moment to familiarize myself with this new way of Goo Jitsu. So far, I'm liking the sound. Listen to this. Very, very crunchy. This is really, really good. Nice crunchiness. Okay, let's stretch him. Oh my goodness. Overall, just playing with this just like this is awesome. Now we could pump up his head, and it's gonna take 30 pumps to fill the vacuum. Ready? Okay, so that was about 30 pumps, maybe a little bit more. Now that we've removed the air, see how he's gotten all like small? I've pumped him up now. Let's stretch him. Now, you can only stretch his limbs when you pump up the air. Do not stretch anything else. Do not pull from the head, otherwise you're gonna release the air. And it's not gonna stretch over 3 times in length. If you try to, you might break him, so don't do it. This is merely just to feel like how it is without any air in your Air Vac Orbitox. How cool is that? Okay, now you could bend him and pose him, and he's in this state. And he'll actually stay like that, which is really awesome. Like, so you can make him like contort into different ways. And you could really see like the stuff that's in him. So he really does have like a squid-like quality. See the back of him? It's so crazy. This is so cool. Now, this is the cool part. We're gonna release it. To release the vacuum, push down on his head while pressing the release button. Always release vacuum when finishing playing. So never leave him in this state. This is so detailed. So now we're gonna press this little red button while we're pushing down. Okay, you ready for this? Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Okay, let's take away the air again. Okay, here we go. Okay, now that we got all of the air released from our Obitox, this is so cool, by the way. I love this so much. Okay, I'm gonna get a close-up now of the air going back in. You ready for this? How crazy is that? Okay, let's suck out the air again. I'm like addicted to doing this. Okay. Okay, no more air. Pose him, stretch him, but only stretch his limbs. Again, you don't want to like ruin your amazing Obitox figure. This is the coolest figure ever. Okay, let's release him. I'm going to show you a full view of it being released again. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is so cool. Definitely the coolest Heroes of Goo Jitsu, I think, in the history of Heroes of Goo Jitsu. You can tell me otherwise. I know they had light up ones, they had jumbo ones. This is awesome. Like, this technology is so super cool. After he's out of this this air vac state, you could stretch him as much as you want again. And then when you're ready to battle your Merculoid or battle even the other Goo Jitsu characters, the other action figures to take over the galaxy, you can release the air. You're not pumping him up because you're taking away the air. You really, really suck out that air, and then that is so cool. I love it. Let me know in the comments what you think of the brand new Galaxy Attack Heroes of Goo Jitsu action figures. I think they knocked it out of the park of this series. They can't get any better than this. Honestly, if they do, I'm going to be blown away even more. How cool is this? I love it so much. This is actually my favorite line from the series. If you find Galaxy Attack in stores, definitely opt for the Air Vac ones for a totally different Heroes of Goo Jitsu experience. And if you're into the original heavy hitters of Heroes of Goo Jitsu with the goo fill and the crunchiness and the water balls inside, definitely opt for them as well. It's a great fidgety, squishy sensory play experience. But then you have these highly collectible Air Vac versions. Honestly, I think these are great, and they're going to be really, really hard to come by. Once people start seeing how fun they are and how different they are, because they have this awesome crunchiness, they really do provide a fun, fidgety experience. Get them now. You see them in stores, grab them. You are totally not going to be disappointed. Again, it's so much fun to suck out this air. So fun. I love it so much. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That really helps bring me back up onto the search in YouTube. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Leave a comment with your favorite. Do you like Obitox, the Air Vac? We got new Blazagon. Or do you like super scrunchy Merculok? I think he's my favorite out of the three if you take away the Air Vac one. And Blazagon has a lot of weight to him, which is really, really great. But this one, oh my gosh, Obitox, you rule the Heroes of Goo Jitsu line. How cool is that? I love his suit. Okay guys, that being said, this video is over, and now is your time to like this video. Please subscribe, share it with your friends, show everyone, comment your favorite. Squish!